Okay, magandang buhay mga kababayan. Finally, nandito tayo ngayon sa City Government, City Hall ng Davao City. Ito ang ating sangguniang panunsod ng City of Davao from June 1, 2029 to June 30, 2022. And our current City Mayor, si Honorable Sebastian C. Duterte, si Mayor Paste. And of course, nagpaalam muna ako sa security. Siyempre, once in a lifetime opportunity ito makapasok sa City Hall ng Davao. Ito sila. Oy! Si President Tico. Yan, may idol. Ikot lang tayo just a glimpse of the City Hall. Ang ganda ng kanilang City Hall. Yan. Mga kadasal. Yan. Session hall nila. Ang ganda ng gallery nila. Incumbent official of Davao City, si Mayor Baste. Meron din silang gallery of legislators. Kabila. Nasa second floor tayo ngayon. And that's all for today. Kompleto na ang ating Davao City adventures. Thank you, Lord. Sir, thank you from Davao City. Okay, thank you, Lord. Yan, hello mga kabayan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa plaza in front of Davao City Hall. Ayan. Sangguniang pangsod ng Davao, bayan ng ating dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte and Vice President Sara C. Duterte. City Government of Davao City, City Hall. Ito yung kanilang plaza, plaza ng City. Of course, commemorative monument of peace and unity. Peace and Unity Monument pala siya. And here, the Cathedral of Davao City. Tapat lang din siya ng City Hall ng Davao. And the plaza. And then doon banda niya yung Osmeña Park. Banda doon. Doon ako nagaling kanina. Okay, thank you Lord. Nakarating tayo sa Davao City. The center of government power in Davao City, the City Hall of Davao. Thank God. Okay. So Nakapasok tayo sa San Pedro Metropolitan Cathedral, Davao City. Kanilang simbahan. Ayan ang kanilang plaza. Okay. And then yung City Hall nila nandoon. City Hall ng Davao City. Street food nila dito. May covered court sila doon. And of course, this is the city of the main road of Davao City, near the City Hall and San Pedro Cathedral. Nakarating tayo rito sa lugar na ito. Thank you, Lord. Okay.